COVID-19 cases rising all across the country. Some hospitals are now considering mandating a COVID vaccination for all healthcare workers.
Today, the Virginia Hospital and Healthcare Association announcing their support for requiring the shots. On your side at 6, Karina Bolster is live in Richmond with more. Karina?
Well, Makia and Kurt, this support from the Virginia Hospital and Healthcare Association board is something that's been discussed for several months, but ultimately the decision falls on each hospital and healthcare system.
Each organization, is going to have to implement policies in a manner that works for them.
Julian Walker says of the 110 hospitals and 26 healthcare systems with the association, some have already rolled out plans requiring healthcare workers to get vaccinated against COVID-19.
Nova Health System in Northern Virginia a few weeks ago announced this policy, I believe with an effective date in September.
Here in Metro Richmond, healthcare systems are also looking at the data and research. A spokesperson for Bon Secours says the health system strongly encourages its workers to get vaccinated, but it's not mandated. Meanwhile, HCA Virginia does not require its workers to be vaccinated against COVID-19, but a spokesperson says they highly encourage vaccinations.
Having conversations with members, some are saying that their vaccination rate is among staff is north of 60%. Some are saying their vaccination rate among staff is north of 70%.
That's where VCU Health falls. A spokesperson saying as of July, more than 70% of its team members have received at least one dose of a COVID-19 vaccine. While it's still voluntary, VCU is preparing several virtual town halls with staff to get their thoughts on this voluntary effort, especially as the threat of the Delta variant increases.
Up this week now, 9.5% of cases are Delta variant, so tripled over the last couple of weeks.
Amy Popovich says regardless of the variant, the number of COVID cases seen recently are mainly among unvaccinated individuals.
The 3 vaccines that have that emergency use authorization are really protecting against the strains. And even for individuals who've gotten vaccinated and do get COVID, it's a very mild case.
Now, if any of the hospitals in our area do end up mandating the vaccine, we'll be sure to let you know. On your side in Richmond, Karina Bolster, NBC 12 News.
Thanks, Karina.